Oh, wonderful day. I will not come again on Talk Talk to send you all the betterments we they carry every day for Talk Talk. Today, they're very wonderful because we are wonderful in the studio. Yes, we are wonderful. You know, say we carry different hairstyle. Like me now, I don't understand the Rapunzel. Yeah, I carry.
You said no,
Now you make me carry.
You go Jamaica.
Then Queen Bee looks so English, as in so American for me.
Yeah.
Your short hair, the shirt where you wear, the bow tie on top, everything just did very splendid.
We don't reach like 2-3 years. I never, my stylist just say, you know what? Tell your hairstylist for office, say me she calm down. I want to put my signature for here.
Wonderful. Then Bettiana look like girl next door, as in just cute,
vintage look,
beautiful, as in vintage. You look so wonderful. Yeah.
Yes, we can see.
Wonderful with your straw coils. So, as a very beautiful.
Just now, my director talked something for inside my ear. He said I look like Chidima, but actually Chidima look like me. Because I don't do this one like long time, you know.
You understand?
I just want to bring
you understand, director.
Bringing sexy back.
Then Amaka, we thank God say your voice don't come back.
Oh, thank you. I'm here. I'm back.
Something
I'm taking over. You know.
What? You're taking over.
I'm taking over. Yes. I don't want to take over Talk for today. It's gonna chill.
Please take over.
Oh, no worry. I'll take over. But for now, you go first start and then I'll go take over.
I just remember Pinky and the Brain. You know, say every day Pinky and the Brain go say, we want to take over the world.
I don't be Pinky now.
Pinky!
We have to take over the world. See Pinky.
All right, even though I don't call their names, we're going to need to don't cover ourselves one by each. And welcome now to another exciting episode of Talk Talk on Top Wazobia TV. My name is Ceremonial Uwi Ehigiamusoy, and the intelligence, as usual, I need to praise them before they tell me say Uwi, not praise us. The intelligent, beautiful, wonderful, as in a gangalicious, splufic ladies going to don't cover themselves one by each.
Yes, my beautiful people, my name still remains Bettiana Unweli.
My name is Namaka Okudiafo.
My own Ceremonial Queen Bee, the queeness of them all.
You're right.
Yeah, whatever, no beef.
Whatever.
She's the queeness of them all.
Your boys don't come now, you want
Yeah, excuse me, if I not show myself,
go
show myself.
Now, wow.
All right, you know how to always be with the Sanju stories, then where they happen for inside the world, and time don't reach for us to talk on top of our waiting day hot. But I need to take permission to find out whether they don't ready to talk.
Oh, granted. I don't grant you
device
permission.
are open. Talk it.
All right, our first story today concerns rapper Too Short, and he don't enter internet. Go tell us the kind big way he faced with the Nigerian police force that one last week. And we say we could bring our mental with table because this one is something where we need to choke our eye inside. In Thursday, he want to share an ugly experience with the Nigeria police force for inside the divisional headquarters for Langbasa Division, Etiosa local government. In Thursday, with deep pain and anger, now I take right this one to Nigerians and also the Nigerian police force. He said, frankly speaking, he said our Nigeria police force, he said, I say corruption don't enter inside the system. He said to the extent, say they detain him within car 10 p.m. till the following morning just because say in drive come off from a friend house. He say in beg. He tried to tell them, say, see, now Too Short be this. Now this is where they come from, but they not listen to him. They just put him inside police station like that with the plan to collect money for him. He said the thing where he pain and the most be say innocent people. 9 police come they enter inside police station. Innocent people and come they give them big bill on top that one. He got to say they use this medium, tell police commissioner and even Lagos state government, say time don't reach for them to chook eye chook leg, chook everything inside the police force and also the police area division, that one at Lambasa division, Etiosa local government area. Now we bring our mentor inside talk. Time don't reach for us to talk about our police force. You feel say our police force needs reform, and as in you say we need to as in rearrange some things for inside the police force, or we don't need to? And if we need to, what do we need to change for the police force?
No, but of course, we need to change plenty of things for inside our police force. First of all, they need to make sure, say, the force uniform, not only police, all the force divisions where we get the police, the army, the LASMA, we don't to get too many force people serve. But all of them, they need to make sure, say, their uniforms, not they accessible to the general public. Because I don't see situations whereby people will not even get the rights. They wear the uniform, so you can't know who be the real police and who be the fake police anymore. And at the same time, they need to a lot of reform need to be done, because most of them they no go school finish, they don't even get certificate, they don't get degree, and because of that their IQ, the way they take their reason, it is very, very low. Sorry to say, they know the reason the way people go expect, say, okay, this person a first man, now like this. In this situation, in this case, now like this is supposed to handle them. Some of them just they're very, very irrational. And thirdly, they need to review their salaries, because now poverty, maybe face fact, they make most of them, they do all these things where then they do. You go see Nigerian police where they say go work from morning till night, especially the ones where they say they're still there under sun, and then at the end of the month, then they give them 18,000 naira, 12,000 naira for person maybe say get family with children, maybe those where they even they harbor their younger ones as well. The bukata don't too much on top of their head, and the trouble where then they face on a daily basis, not the equivalent to waiting and they earn at the end of the month. So plenty things need to be in place for them to actually sit up for all this kind of things that they happen.
Well, for me, I go say, Betiana, you talk your own, but I go say this one. The police where you they talk say they no go school, they no get degree. It gets, even for America, they no go university before they know or they value human life. But aside that, now police force, they need to get their own laws, they get their rules, they get their own functions. Say things like this, I suppose involve myself. Things like this, I suppose involve myself. It get police where they go keep peace. If they look for all those security for home, where they come in case they abuse your wife or wherever, now different police. Those ones, they know they use guns, they use tasers. That's for America. Then you get the ones where they na street, then those ones they allow to shoot you, ones that don't want you like 1, 2, 3 times. And they talk about law now. Yes, poverty they land, but they don't review their salary of recent. They don't review them, even though yes, they enough like that. But now orientation. When DPO go tell you say, I they expect una to bring 200K for weekend. What do you expect the police to do? They go outside, they go hustle. And I tell you, they go dash free bullets on top of free. So I beg government, Lagos State, I beg. Yes, we understand so now they try to keep Lagos State clean of crime. That's why we still get police for streets. But hey, Mokuna still look at, because over weekends from Friday, Saturday, Sunday, if you see people where they go sell, if you go police station, if you see people where they go sell, no be here. And maybe they go put camera there so that when somebody come, you actually talk waiting the person talk so that we go see. If like this 2 shots on, maybe get ID card. And our artist be, if you get record label, they suppose give them ID card. Now one thing where artists them suppose even get with that, those record labels suppose no say yes, register them so that people go know about them. Because if you carry ID card, you explain yourself, it go there easier for you to get out of them. Oh, hey, 2 shots, you be Nigerian, so
yeah,
you be 2 shots, no mean say.
I will enter from that, but no, I won't make you stop for them because I want to that part come out. 2 shots, it not be human being. It be because it be 2 shots, Why can't it be too short? If you do something wrong, nobody's against it. Nobody they pass law. So whatever the law where they put for ground, and you do them wrong. Yes, police get right to keep them, even to keep them till next year. Now, like normal person like all of us. So if you do something wrong, may you face them, may they attend to them, may they end them. If they say may pay 50,000 naira, say because you park for the right place, you're supposed to pay them. So if may I just talk that one come out. Then if you can't come back, say to your question, say may we reform police. Obviously, yes. So many things not today in place. But I believe say gradually then they do them because like when we talk true, they don't review their salaries. Yes, but you don't go bad if they review them again. But to help in that review, I believe say it's supposed to get one particular standard, because I know say that they do people will go enter before they go take you, supposed to don't reach a particular level or whatever. I believe maybe they increase them small. Maybe they increase them small, maybe at least secondary school. May you get secondary school certificates, at least. Because if you look at Nigeria, any kind, some people know they want ever, they not just want try. Because if blessed, they know they understand the fact, say, now human lives that they come, now they are human that they come fight for. They can't support him, and they say police are your best friend. Yeah. So if police just don't do anything, how they want to be my best friend? When I go to fear, say if I call this police, now the only thing they go ask me say now change, I go put hand for back, ask for change. Yeah. Fear go they catch me to call you my best friend. Yeah. So yes, reform supposed to. I believe they need to reform, and if possible, then if it starts by increasing, by doing a reviewing their salaries again, and as well, may they also increase the level at which people they enter the force. May not be just from secondary school.
Now from there I go come in. I don't understand what mathematics, English, physics, and the rest of them got to do with you entering the force. Now service to the nation. Yes. So you need to go in there and learn another orientation. Not be about for you to know A plus A and whatever. I understand say you need to know all this calculation, but yes, if you stop by there or primary school, anyone, they fit pick that one. Secondly, I come from reviewing. Now, you say review salary. Sometimes, now just that big word, now they stop us from seeing the other part of them. They feel review their salary, but how many people they benefit from inside? They go review salary, you go see now just the organs at the top, now in their salary go reflect. Okay. Now the money go reflect on top. If you not reflect to the man, to police officer, the junior officers. And thirdly, I feel say yes, all of us don't talk. Yes, our police force really need reform. We get some bad eggs inside the police force where they spoil some of their good work, because we know some police people where they work. Really, that they work. They not 247 that they work, but some bad eggs they actually spoil, and we need to take away those bad eggs for our police force today very strong. And fourthly, our celebrities need to understand, say, because you be celebrity, not mean say they're not free arrest you if you do something bad. If you do something bad and police arrest you, not carry and enter social media, they make our police force look very bad. If you do something bad, like you get one time we report of one of our celebrities where he passed a traffic light. Yes. And then celebrities started to shout, how can they do this? Excuse me, you are a celebrity, but you don't mean say you're there above the law. Yes. Even some of our politicians too, you're a politician, not mean say you're there above the law, but we just need to respect our police force. And hopefully one day we will take away the bad eggs from the good eggs.
The story will change by the grace of God.
No, what's not one talk? You talk say you don't understand how maths and physics they correlate. Yes, but one thing I know for sure, now say if you go school, whether you come out with first class or third class, your orientation alone don't already change. You get many things where school they teach. Not be by okay, you know, yes, you feel not apply the maths and physics, but say you go school, you pass through that process, they give you this whole new orientation, this whole new mentality. The way where you go think, go there different from person maybe saying not even near school at all.
Yes. I don't know why I not believe so.
Yes,
that is the truth. I not feel argue anyway, but I don't know why I not believe say school fit define you, especially in terms of your thinking. I don't know why.
No, I don't know why. In terms of public service.
Yeah,
in terms of public service, self-personality, your own person, your own that feeling, say, okay, I did dedicated to waiting I want to do different from certificate. Because if you say, okay, I want to defend
orientation.
Yes, it is different. But when you say the certificate did part of waiting go make you day effective.
No,
you know really.
You hear when I say whether first class or third class, this time not be the certificate, but your manner of thinking go change.
I'm not sure, because check out the rich men for the world that we get now. Most of them not even go school. They're not even near institution. Yeah. They're not even near their primary secondary school. They're not near them. But their level of thinking, they high.
You go get some situations whereby you go see that crudeness for inside your body.
Oh, definitely. Outside. Yes.
School all right, make we move on. All right, the next one what we get for here concerned ex-president, as we don't get reports say, be like say you attend one wedding. You want to know the wedding, you go need to listen. Now, the former president, Olusegun Obasanjo, they talk to you on Saturday, January 10th, say he do surprise appearance for the wedding of President Goodluck Jonathan's daughter, will be Ina Barapu Paul.
See name.
Ine Barapu. Paul. They say Obasanjo present at this ceremony. Say it really shocked plenty people. People open eye, because in a person where don't criticize Oga President Goodluck Jonathan for inside that book where police don't stop, make they not sell them, where they call My Watch. And they thought say for inside the book, Obasanjo described Jonathan as man where be like say they sell fish for inside market. Sure. And you know they do things very, very well. And because they accuse them, say, you they encourage corruption for inside Wiobodo, Nigeria. Let us say later on, Jonathan, for inside the ceremony, he can't give a vote of thanks where he recognized the ex-president as he talked, and I quote, he said, "Let me appreciate our father, President Olusegun Obasanjo, for being here with us. Thank you for coming." Now, this one just make me, yes, we understand. It's a good thing. Say you attend Oga President Goodluck Jonathan daughter wedding. But this one can make me bring this question out for the talk ladies. You go attend any ceremony of person where una don't begin before? Where you don't fight with? You go attend any ceremony of the person? Or you don't ever get any time where you quarrel with your friend or one of your family member, and because of the quarrel, you decide, say, whether say una do burial, una do wedding, una do birthday, I no go come.
See beef. First of all, may I start with Obasanjo. May I start with Obasanjo first? You see, if you too put eye for this matter, you go find out say somehow, more we just take style. Come out our eye for all these politician people. Because now politics. You don't talk this one tomorrow. Trust me, get another mouth for this side.
Okay.
If you don't get this mouth for here, get this mouth for here. If two of them quarrel today, tomorrow they settle. So even if they never settle, because of the politics where they involved, then they do what they do. So really, I don't just even want to call them, whether they quarrel, I don't believe I even quarrel them. Yeah. But I just they spit fire and at the end of the day nothing happen. But at the end of the day, maybe we just leave that one. Then to your question,
yes, love.
Whether I go person where I don't follow fights. It depends on the gravity of the quarrel. I'm telling you. If the quarrel be say, now my husband, now the person I want marry, now you marry. At that time, that quarrel goes strong. What are they find for your wedding now? I go there, they cry. I don't go now. Or the person where the gravity that they talk of, so the person will die. Now person will, and I know even, as in don't do me strong thing. And inside my mind of man, I know the person, this person must die. As in, I don't. Are
you serious?
I just give example.
She just give
example. Instance. Example. Say the thing pain me, reach my belly. It too pain me. Say now the only thing why the think of this person say death. But I don't talk and come out too. I don't get time for mine, and the person can't die. My mother was specially fine for the burial. As in, bye bye. I go just in my mind say, God may so rest in peace. Bye bye. I don't go. Because I'm sure say the family no even want me I come there. So wait till I go find whether I go there, the family can't kill me. No. I go just stay in my own house, now. True. But on a lighter note, if I get any light, maybe two of me and Betiana quarrel. I know say we they like do some kind of body quarrel. And she can't say she they marry tomorrow. That we go reach there first. What are you saying? I'll reach there first now.
Well, for me, from my own view, first of all, what surprised me for the matter, no be say Obasanjo go the wedding. I say Patience, Pepe, they hold Obasanjo, she no hold her husband. Now the first one first surprised me with that. Because I can't the one that say, person leave your husband, I'm not talking anything, shall. And then secondly, say Papa rebuke Pikin, no mean say he hates the Pikin. He say Obasanjo throw some words, give good luck, no mean say he hates him, no mean say then they necessarily fight. Yes, all those things will happen, but we don't know the levels where we say they underground for all of them, all now politics, and we know as politics for inside the world, not just Nigeria, we know as politics there for inside the world. But for me, I don't talk sometimes that number. I personally say I don't feel sleep with anger. If I follow you fight, once I sleep, wake up, I don't go even remember what to make us fight in the first place. So definitely, if person they get any ceremony, maybe say we don't fight. If you invite me, I'll go. My life no hard like that. I don't get issue. Because once I fight with you today, I feel they boil, like say volcanic eruption won't happen. But once I sleep, you no say I like to sleep. Once I sleep, wake up, it don't end with that. So
well, for me, I go say, hey, forget say he write he talk he say now politics, and the book must sell.
Yes, thank you.
And he got to do something we go make the book sell. That's number one. Then secondly, back to we question say whether I feel go somebody. Really, I go feel no go your wedding because of the quarrel we will get. Why? For one, waiting she talk say maybe you didn't marry the husband where I won't marry. Wait till I define go your husband. Actually, I did go my ex-boyfriend wedding. I don't go there. Then my dad fear say.
Nine break your heart or now you break your heart?
Nine break my heart.
You
Because
tried.
actually the girl get belly for him. So and I go there. And you know what's in? It be like say they sick. Okay, after the wedding, after I go, come back, I come ask myself, I come sit down there ask myself, say, okay, you go the wedding. What you achieve?
Now torments with that one.
I go Auchi. All the way, listen, all the way from Zaria, ABU Zaria, I go Auchi.
For the guy.
For the wedding. I couldn't ask myself, okay, so why I don't reach there or wedding even for the wedding ground, because people know. You know how I do people, when you date person, everybody knows say they date the person. People come ask me, say, why you come here? I say,
Question, good question.
my boyfriend, they marry. My ex-boyfriend, why I go come there? My dad here and me, sorry, simply say, are you mad? Not say that, but I like him that much that, even though it no lead to marriage, what thing I believe you say, not be every relationship calm down. They lead to marriage. It don't impact in own lesson to my own life because actually it really do, and I appreciate them. It really do. So for me to go in wedding, it is beyond the boyfriend and girlfriend thing. But now the love I get, I not be say it the end. But I tell you, after the wedding, I cut all ties because I noticed say the way where I take like him, even when he marry as a den. I for still the data and it go be flow from my own side. So, but for say I know if you go your wedding, if you quarrel, say reach that level. Sorry.
But you go the wedding,
put your hand down.
You see whether you go
or you know go.
Why you
mean whether you don't show say the person don't marry. So for me, you know.
I beg no verse. Just quickly. I beg Queen Bee no verse. You mean they expect say for the wedding?
Ain't go change your mind. No.
I like you not talk much. We need to go on a break, really. But you need to understand that today now our motivational Monday. Now time for us to talk about things them where we know say yes, one way or the other, you feel they go through them out there. But for me, whether say I fight with you or not fight with you, I will see attend your wedding or your ceremony. We're gonna need to buy a small break. Now say talk on top of Wazobia TV. They come back.